how to remove hard inquiries from TransUnion. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can remove hard inquiries from TransUnion. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to remove hard inquiries from TransUnion, you have to follow these steps. So TransUnion has to provide a means for you to dispute your credit report, and this includes information pertaining to hard inquiries. Notably, the TransUnion website recommends you take your hard inquiry dispute directly to the lender or other company that made the inquiry and get documentation from that company to send to TransUnion to verify that it is not authorized. Then TransUnion will remove the disputed information and report inquiry accuracy. So, you should follow the procedures to dispute any unauthorized hard inquiries via certified mail. Send a dispute letter along with copies of supporting documentation, if any, to TransUnion. Ask that the disputed information be investigated and removed from your credit profile or else verified. Within 30 days, if TransUnion does not investigate, remove the inquiry, respond to the dispute, or verify that the inquiry was authorized, you need to speak to an attorney for consumer protection. If TransUnion responds stating that the hard credit inquiry is verified and accurate, but you are certain that it is not, reach out to consumer attorneys to discuss what to do next. So that's how you can remove hard inquiries from TransUnion. That's all for this video.